Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to log out of X or Twitter easy guide. So for us to be able to begin, just open the X app or launch the app on your phone. Once you're already in there, you'll just need to go to your profile, and to do that, just tap on your profile icon or the navigation menu, usually in the top left or bottom right of your screen. Once you're already in, you'll just have to scroll down until you find in settings and support. So click onto that, and then right after you'll just have to click onto settings and privacy. Once you're in there, click on your account, and here on your account, click on the account information. There you should be able to find in a setting to go ahead and log out. So click on the logout button, and to confirm, just click on to log out again. And that is just how easy you could go ahead and log out on your X or Twitter account. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.